Welcome to Kids Zone Corner TV.
Once there was a clever cat who hunted down mice for food. The mice, terrified, hid in their holes. The cat sensed their fear. It needed food, so it made a plan. The cat climbed a cupboard and hung upside down, pretending to be dead. Holding a rope with its paw, it looked as if it was hanging. Seeing the cat motionless, the mice came out. They looked at the cat, thinking it was dead. As soon as the mice came near, the cat pounced. The mice ran for their lives.
Kids Zone Corner TV is your go-to destination for fun and educational content. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy our videos, show us some love by checking out and shopping using our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe by hitting the notification bell to our channel for daily doses of unique and exciting content.